This short's part 2 of the November 64 Speed Mechanics. I started off with this rear-engine front runner from the Bogus Brothers. A 409 Chevy, got Edelbrock valve covers on it. Nice. Aluminum body rail, dubbed the Giant Killer. Dual Carter AFBs. Sweet. And the guzzler. That one before. You got a blown Hemi. It's going to drink some. You don't worry about miles per gallon. Runs per gallon, maybe. If you're doing more than one, you're doing good. El Conquistador from the Happy Bachelors. Build it right, build it light. There's the Tasca Ford, the Lawman. Built a kit of that one. And Drag Racing Dodge, nice. Radical Austin Healey, Pontiac powered. Chevy powered E-Gas Lark, the Flintstone Flyer 2. We had a clean out once, and the guy had a bunch of fiberglass Impala parts, hoods, fenders, whole front clips with the pivots, and he freaking gave them to us. You know, like a truckload of them. Almost all of them had damage from the drag racing days, but they were all repairable. And it just amazed me. That's the stuff these people still had. Road racing, the 64 GTO. This is the Hurst version. A lot of parts manufacturers got into the racing thing back then. Not just Hurst. Oh, sprung a leak in that tank. I fixed it.